In today's lesson, we're going to talk about some basic, simple vocabulary that is very, you could say, preliminary, introductory, or advanced. What is the difference between basic and advanced vocabulary? Now, I mentioned a lot of words. I said preliminary, introductory. That's very basic, beginning. Sometimes it has short syllables, not multisyllabic, like more advanced words. So this is basically a review on how there could be multisyllabic words, a more expanded language, or very basic. Now, when writing is done, something that is very basic, if it's used all of the time, it just doesn't sound as rich. So, like, for instance, if students use the word small is, describing the size, but there's other ways to write small. So to vary it, that is another thing, is variation. So small could be like petite, petite. For small, they use the word tiny too. Tiny or small. Basically, they're in the same family. Actually, tiny, it could imply even smaller than smaller. Okay. Petite. And then, like, miniature. Okay, so other words that are typically used. Like if you're doing 3-letter words like and, well, you could say conclude or finalize. Okay. If you're using the word buy, for instance, when you make a purchase, you buy. So instead of saying buy, yeah, I'm going to buy some food, or I'm going to buy some cars, in a story. So if you're writing that, you can say, I'm going to make a purchase. Or he purchased, or she purchased. They purchased. Do you see the difference? 3-letter word, and this one has more letters. Give. So if you say the word give, you can say donate.